Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here. And today I want to help you through the notes for body parts. So, this is day one of body parts. So, we're going to go through all of the different parts of both the face and the body. So, I'm in your OneNote, chapter 7, page 3, body parts notes. So, I'm going to eliminate the table of contents. I'm going to make the page big. So it says, Los partes del cuerpo vocabulario, la cara. So right away, we should know that la cara is the face. La cara, the face. Some of them are already labeled for you. Those are the ones you will not be quizzed on, but it's important to know them. So la frente is your forehead. Frente means front. I always think of it, it's the front part that will hit the wall first if I run into it. So frente, forehead. Ceja. Okay, ceja, this is your ceja. So ceja is your eyebrow. The next one below. So if we're talking about just one, it's la oreja, the ear. La oreja. If you're talking about both of them, make it plural. Las orejas. The next one down is your nose. Nose is la nariz. La nariz. Going down your mouth, la boca, la boca. Remember the word for sandwich was bocadillo? Basically, you were calling it a mouthful, la boca. Your chin is your barbilla, and that's where the word barber comes from, the barber who shaves your chin. Mejilla is your cheek, la mejilla, double L equals Y. The next one is el ojo, if we're talking about one. Los ojos, if we're talking about both eyes. Okay, the next two. Now, green indicates that it's an internal body part. So we'll do the internal part of the ear separate. Teeth. Okay, teeth are los dientes. It makes sense if you think about the word dentures or dentist, all comes from diente for teeth. Okay, so the outside of the ear is la oreja, and the inside is called el oído. El oído. I think there's an accent mark there. El oído. Inner ear. It's so like you can say, my inner ear hurts, because when you talk about having an earache, the outside of your ear is not the part that hurts, it's the inner part. So it's el oído. Okay. Los partes del cuerpo, parts of the body. Okay, so cuerpo, think of corpse. It is the body. I'm going to start up here for the hand. Okay, we've got los dedos, the fingers, and then el pulgar is your thumb. Talking about the whole head is la cabeza. Cabeza. Your hair is el pelo. Cuello is your neck. Now, the green is referring to the middle of your throat, which is called your throat, right? La garganta. Remember, we saw this one with the Argentina notes, La Garganta del Diablo, the waterfall called the throat of the devil. Think of the word gargling, gargling with your garganta. El hombro is your shoulder. Your arm is el brazo, if we're talking about one. El brazo. Think of the word branch. Your arm is like your branch. Muñeca is your wrist. Muñeca. And fingers, we just did those. Los dedos. La rodilla is your knee. Your whole foot is called el pie. Now, I know it looks like the word pie, but I like to tell you, don't eat your feet. So it's not pie, it's el pie. You've got to pronounce both of those letters in Spanish. Now, this makes sense to me. Okay, your toes are called los Dedos del pie. The fingers of the foot. Los dedos del pie. Your ankle is el tobillo. Your leg. Leg is la pierna. La pierna. Your hand is la mano. Yes, that's correct. It shouldn't be el mano. It's one of the ones that doesn't connect, right? So it's la mano. El codo is your elbow. In el pecho, think of your pectoral muscles. That's your chest muscles. Pecho is chest. Now we have another green one right in the middle, right? El estómago. El estómago. Okay. And you're going to get to see me check the accent marks on those two. Okay, so I'm just going to go quickly to here, right? And I'm going to type in el estómago. Okay, no accent mark. El oído. Search and see if it comes up with an accent mark on it. I feel like it takes an accent mark. Yes, it does. Okay, so it's on the I, not the O. So I'm going to eliminate this. Go back to our OneNote. Sorry, that was just bothering me. I want to go up here and fix this. Okay, so it's oído, accent on the I, oído. Okay, any questions? So you will be quizzed on body parts